Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's explore how alignment enhance symmetry. Drag a group of circles placed unevenly across your artboard. Select them all to active alignment option. Use align horizontal center to balance them perfectly. They now share a unified central axis. Follow them, distribute horizontal centers for even spacing. Each circle now holds equal distance from the others. Symmetry like this strengthens design harmony. Add color variation to see how spacing affects precision. Even colorful elements feel orderly with proper alignment. This is essential for icons, badge, and UI layouts. Alignment reduces clutter